Hello, my friends. Let's learn about I sound. The two letters I and E together makes the sound I. I sound. I sound. I and E together makes the sound I sound. Pie. What's this word? Excellent. Pie. I. Pie. How many sounds in this word? Two sounds. Is a sound and I is a sound. Two letters, one sound. Two letters, one sound. What's what are these? What are these? These are fries. Fries. How many sound in the word fries? R, I, z. Fries. Fries. How many sounds? Four sounds. F is a sound. R is a sound. I and E together makes the sound I, and Z is a sound. So there are four sounds in the word fry. I sound, lie, lie, L, I, lie. What's this? Tie, I, tie. Excellent. Repeat after me. I. What's this bird? Magpie. This bird is magpie. Magpie. Cries. The boy cries. He cries. Excellent. Let's read. Magpie. How many sounds in this word? A, g. Mag. Three sounds. P, four sounds. I, five sounds. A, g. P, I. Magpie. The word cries. How many sounds in the word cries? K is a sound. R is a sound. I is a sound. Z, z is a sound. Four sounds in the word cries. Cries. He cries. Excellent. Thanks for watching and goodbye.